Welcome to Tech Help Guy, and today I'm gonna show you how to download WhatsApp on your laptop. By the way, guys, I am using Windows right now. First, open the Google Chrome and then search google.com. In there, search WhatsApp for desktop. The first link you should see should be about download WhatsApp for iOS, Mac, and PC. Then click that link, and on the upper right corner you can see download. Just click on that. Next, go to your download folder and click WhatsApp installer. You just need to wait for it to re-download again and install itself. There, as you can see, it's already downloading and installing. Now you can see the WhatsApp application will automatically load itself in your laptop. You just need to click Get Started and then just set up your account in that application. And that is all for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for quick tips and tutorial.